Welcome back to Three Things Thursday. I'm Tom Vander Well with Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics. It's April 9th, 2020. We're here to bring you one item that's trending, one item from the trenches of Intelligentics projects, and one timeless principle. Now get ready, because what is trending isn't even trending yet. Let me give you a preview. The coronavirus pandemic isn't over, but it will be in the next 8 weeks or so. And what everyone is going to be talking about is how it has forever transformed the way the entire world does business and life, from remote work and Zoom calls and video chats and getting more done with less. Now, for business leaders and executives, there will be a lot of questions about what this means for your employees, your customers, and how your service delivery system has managed the customer experience with all of the changes of the previous few weeks. Now, let me give you a perspective from the trenches of Intelligentics. We are not worried about tomorrow. We're excited for new opportunities that these changes open up for you and for us. Our research team is ready and excited to survey our clients, customers, employees, markets, to help them manage the change to their advantage. Our service quality assessment team is ready to help you get a quick and objective baseline on your customer's experience with our Inspect 100 assessment. It's simple and economical. You give us 100 random calls and we'll provide you with a 20-point inspection of your team's service, complete with a follow-up list of tactics that you can employ to improve customer satisfaction and a follow-up consultation, starting at just under $7,000. Now, there's no better or more economical way to quickly assess where your team is at and where you need to go. And that brings me to this week's timeless principle. Many of us are going to be getting checks in the mail, whether it's unemployment checks, payroll loans, or assistance and incentives to get past the crisis and back to work. And I'm reminded of an older gentleman who received his first Social Security check from the government. Seeing that check not as a means of surviving, but as an opportunity to thrive, he took that money and he started his business. His name was Colonel Harlan Sanders, and the business was Kentucky Fried Chicken. Please tell me that you are ready to seize the opportunities that the coronavirus crisis is presenting us. Give me a call. We'd love to realize those opportunities together. I'm Tom Vander Well with Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics. Fear not, my friends. The best is yet to come.